In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a ClickUp system to track affiliate content and manage a high RPM workflow. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable setup for planning, producing, and reviewing your affiliate posts and videos. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. If you're new to ClickUp, don't worry, this setup is beginner-friendly and quick to build. You'll find the official website and the desktop app download linked at the very top of the description, so you can follow along from the same place I am. Next, create a dedicated space for your affiliate work. Click Spaces, choose Add Space and name it Affiliate Content. Enable lists here. Lists will become your main way to organize content pieces. Keeping this work in its own space separates it from other projects and makes reporting cleaner later on. Inside that space, add a folder called Content Tracker. Think of the folder as the container for your entire workflow. It keeps your lists organized and makes it easier to scale from a handful of posts to dozens without losing structure. Now add a list named Affiliate Posts. This is where you'll track every piece of affiliate content. The list view is excellent for sorting and filtering by status, field, or keyword, so your pipeline stays visible at a glance. Create a task for each article or video you plan to publish. Use clear, descriptive titles like Product Review, Comparison Post, or Best of List. A consistent naming convention helps when you're scanning for what needs attention, and when you're pulling performance reports later. Add custom fields to capture the details that matter. Include fields for affiliate program, target keyword, publish date, and revenue status. For example, target keyword helps you align SEO from the start. Publish date keeps your calendar accurate, and revenue status gives you quick visibility into which posts are earning or need optimization. Choose field types that fit your data, such as drop-downs for programs and dates for scheduling. Use statuses to track progress. Set up stages like idea, writing, published, and optimizing. This simple flow tells you exactly where each piece stands and highlights your bottlenecks. Moving tasks through these stages keeps your queue focused and your deadlines realistic. Finally, review performance. Use the list view to filter for published content, or build a lightweight dashboard to monitor output and revenue trends. This makes it easy to find high RPM winners and prioritize updates on underperformers. That's it! You now have a simple system in ClickUp to track affiliate content and manage a high RPM workflow. Thanks for watching.